In this video, we'll be solving a question on a 2 by 2 matrix and we'll find the inverse of the 2 by 2 matrix given. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Solution. We should recall that if A is equal to A, B, C, D, the inverse of A is equal to 1 all over the determinant of A multiplied by D minus B minus C and A. So the next thing to do here, we'll first find the determinant of A of the given matrix. So the determinant of the given matrix A is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 minus 3 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So our A inverse will be equal to 1 all over 5, just like what we have here. To be 1 all over 5, just like what we have here, multiplied by, now, we have 2 and 4. So here becomes what? 4. Also, here becomes negative 3. Here becomes negative 1. And here becomes 2. So we can write this as this. This is the inverse of the given matrix A. Or we write it as 4 all over 5, negative 3 all over 5, negative 1 all over 5, and 2 all over 5. So we can write our inverse of A as the inverse of A will be equal to this. This is just how we can compute the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.